ओके सर जे जायते आता लोक इंटरस्टेट म्हणजे भायल्यान जे बसी येतात सो कितें मनशा परस सामान चड हाडटात कुरियर सर्वीस करतात ताचेर तुमची एक्शन कितें जातली?
रिसंटली आम्ही केसीस बुक केल्यात बिकॉज देर वॉज कंप्लेन थ्रू सम सोशल मीडिया ऑल्सो. सो 500 केसीस केल्या आम्ही आउट स्टेशन बसीस कॅरिंग लोड and causing obstruction on the road while unloading. And after that also we have issued show cause notices to all the booking offices which are there on that same area where the buses stop, so that they don't main problem was also they are stopping on the road and causing obstruction to vehicular traffic and the busy road to opposite Inox. So we have told them that even if you are dropping passengers, okay, the luggage katta dalar to go inside the bus stand because there is a special place given for outstation buses, bus stand are. So continuously amche officers are going on the road to take action on them whenever they come. And also some suspensions we have done recently buses on housing board route, and taka sangala that this is not the end, this is just the starting, and we'll be keeping a look on violations आणि परत जाय जाल्यार आमी सस्पेंड करतले if they are not falling in place.
कितें सस्पेंड केले ते कितें केल्लें तेंच्यांनी वायलेशन?
Many times there have been complaints on social media and from common men that think the bottleneck jata mun the three buses stop there, and when passengers come from Konkani railway to take passengers, so that was the major issue. So since they were not listening, we had to take strict action to suspend them. ताका लागून आता मातशे it is fallen in place.
तांकां कितलो टाइम आसता जे बस स्टॉप जे असतात ते त्याचे कितले वेळ त्यांनी रावंक जाय actually?
They only when the passengers असतात ते घेतले गेले. Yeah. They cannot stop for long time at the stop. There was a committee formed to inspect, including police and everybody. So it is already in process. They have identified. So that will also sooner or later it will be done. They will be removed. Giving a talk on drug awareness to drivers, especially bus drivers, taxi drivers, auto rickshaw, because there was a meeting with the collector that there should not be any drug use by especially drivers and all vehicles, drivers and conductors. So all different spots will be going and giving talks to taxi drivers, auto rickshaw drivers, bus drivers.
How many licenses have been cancelled in case of drunk
driving? Many, but the record is with the registration office. Maybe at least more than 200.
200
Yeah, for in the whole year.
सो ते भायल्यान बसी येतात तांकां ते कुरियर हाडपाक मिन्स ते लगेज हाडटात ते चड हाडटा सारके तांकां आसा एक्चुअली परमिशन
No. Personal कितें cargo कितें हाडले small parcel is okay, but they cannot get commercially act like a cargo.
चडच हाडटात ते अनलोड करपाक तांकां वर्षां भरात जाय.
No, that we are thinking seriously about it, that they don't do it. We'll take some action on them. We already issued challenge.
Subscribe Prudent social media channel and press bell icon for latest notifications.